to hear Bomman Irani ji speak. Requesting him to please come on to the day, sir. అత్తారింటికి దారి తర్వాత మనకి ఈ సినిమాలోనే కనిపిస్తున్నారు బొమ్మన్ ఇరానీ గారు. ఆయనకి కథ నచ్చి క్యారెక్టర్ నచ్చితేనే కానీ వారు సినిమాలు ఒప్పుకోరు అంటే సంపత్ నంది గారు వినిపించినటువంటి కథ అలాగే క్యారెక్టర్లోని బలం ఏమిటో మనకు అర్థమైపోతుంది. సో బెంగాల్ టైగర్లో అతి త్వరలో కనిపించబోతున్న బొమ్మన్ ఇరానీ గారికి a very warm welcome. Radha Mohan garu to please present the bouquet. Bomman sir to please speak a few words. We are in awe of you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so very much. Your name is Suma. Suma, please never forget. Sorry, मैं English में बोलूँगा. Please never forget कि जब मैं when I entered the auditorium and you introduced me, you said that you love me.
Yes, sir. That is a fatherly affection towards you.
But ladies and gentlemen, I think it's only right. Everybody has been mentioned today. Everyone's done a fantastic performance, and she has been introducing everyone with such enthusiasm. I think she deserves a big round of applause for making this evening so fantastic. My luck is only like that. I play father to all the most beautiful women in the country. One time they gave me a heroine. One time. I got a heroine once. Who they gave me? Farah Khan. That's my bad luck. But no, I should never say it's bad luck. I consider myself one of the most fortunate people in the world that even at starting so late in my life, I started at 44, I had the opportunity of being an actor and fulfilling my dream of my mother to become an actor. And I'm so grateful to God and all the blessings that I have had. I'm sorry I'm speaking in English, but I promise you that I hope to God I work in so many Telugu films that one day I will stand here and speak to you all in Telugu fluently. What can I say about Bengal Tiger? To the two beautiful heroines, so beautiful. And this girl standing over here, she is not just beautiful on the screen, as a soul, as a heart, as a hard-working actress. You are so beautiful, I can't tell you. My only bad luck again is, while we are not shooting, she is saying such sweet things to me. The moment the camera turns on, she starts abusing me. But you did such a wonderful job. Rashi, we did not have a chance to work too much, but you look so lovely tonight. God bless you in all you do. To my director, Sampath sir, you embarrassed me with those wonderful things, but he came all the way to Bombay, Mumbai, to make sure that I will be comfortable doing Bengal Tiger. And in a matter of 10 to 15 minutes, I said, sir, I'm with you. God bless you in your hard work. You have made me feel proud to be an actor today. Big hand for Sampath Nandi. I take this quick opportunity, please forgive me. I take this quick opportunity. I would be out of order if I did not thank a very, very important person on this film. He happens to be the assistant to Sampath, who came to my room every evening for an hour and a half and made me learn my lines, made me feel confident about my Telugu, and I have driven him mad. Sudhakar, I want to give you a big hand. Please give him a big hand. These are people who are behind the scenes, who do not get the glory. I just wanted to share this moment with you. Sudhakar, God bless you. And finally, I hope I'm not forgetting anyone. Producer Saab, thank you so much. All the checks have come, sir. Thank you so much. Now, what a wonderful production. When they do everything, they do with so much love, so much respect. And I bow before you for showing me that respect. And finally, to somebody who I'd like to believe is now a good friend of mine. Everybody has been talking about this energy. I mean, come on. What is this energy we are talking about? Where does it come from? Sab bolte hai, he is energetic off the set, he is energetic in front of the camera, he is energetic all the time. But why is he so energetic? Has anybody figured out? Ghar pe to itna energetic nahi hoga yaar. At home, are you as energetic? No, you are? You are? Okay, very good. Very good. I am married for 30 years. I am not so energetic, sir. But what can I say? I will tell you the reason of his energy. This is what I believe, Mr. Ravi Teja, and I really genuinely believe this. That your energy comes not out of some madness. It comes for one good reason. That when you walk onto the set, you have this one responsibility. And that responsibility is to the love of your fans. And that is what. And that's why you're energetic. Nobody is crazy and nobody comes on the set like just for no reason. He is responsible to the love that he gives all of you up there. He wants to give it back. And for that reason, he will never give anything that is lazy or half-hearted. Ravi Teja, I salute you, sir. God bless you. Thank you so much to the music director. Let us not forget that it is his day. Please give him a big hand for this wonderful thing. Let's not forget, today is your day, sir. Today is your day. No, don't do that. It's your day. God bless you. And I just hope it will work. That's the positive energy that we have. And to all of you from the Telugu film industry and all the fans, I am a newcomer. At the age of 56, I am a newcomer. A debut maker. I'm so proud that I'm making my debut at the age of 55 and 56 in Telugu. But thank you for accepting me. Thank you for loving me. And for that, till the day I die, I will always be grateful. Thank you. Bye-bye.